If your Ferla bike has a freezer, this is a quick instruction for you on how to use and clean it. To start the freezer, turn on the right switch as shown in the video. Freezer control panel should start working. The temperature you see on the panel is the current temperature. Our freezers work with certain temperature limits in order to save energy. If you want to change the upper or lower temperature limit, press and hold the Set button. You have to see F1 on the screen. You can use up or down buttons to go through this menu. Please review your manual for the meaning every F on the list. But now we are going to tell you how to use the most important two. F1, which is the upper temperature limit, and F2, lower temperature limit. To check what the temperature is selected for F1 or F2, press Set again when you see F1 or F2 on the screen. If you want to change the temperature, press and hold Set, and then press Up or Down buttons. Release button Set when you have selected the right temperature. As soon as you are done setting up the temperature, just wait a few seconds and the computer gets back to showing the current temperature. If you want to save more energy, you can place some ice in a freezer. When you want to clean the freezer or your ice melted down, simply pull out the stopper as shown in the video.